That's the healing sounds for the lung and large intestine, the organs which energetically are most active in the autumn. The manifestation of that sound, that's the sound that you hear as the dry air moves through the leaves in autumn. The dry foliage on the trees and on the ground, as the air blows through, you hit. That's interesting, right? That's the meditation for the fall. So we do two sounds, a more guttural sound. That sound is used to massage the internal organs. And after you massage the organs, you dislodge a little bit of the tension. Then you follow up to just dispel the tension from your lungs and large intestine. Give that a try. And as you do so, create space. You can raise your arms above your head. Feel your fingers connect to the various cavities of your lungs and large intestine. We wear white as a color to inspire and strengthen the lung, large intestine. Yes. I was able to climb every boulder I tried to climb today, even ones I had never done before. It's an absolutely magnificent day. So give that sound a try. Lung, large intestine. Think of a beautiful white energy inspiring the organs, filling the organs. Connect the fingers. If you raise your arms and open up the sides of your body, feel the lungs, create space in the lung, large intestine, because both organs simply are space for elements to move through. The lungs, air; the large intestine, your fecal matter. So the organs want liberation, they want space, they want room, they seek emptiness as their virtue. So play around with that.
Come on, come on, come on. There you go. Settle down, bring that foot up. Ah!
It's for real, man.
Yay! Come on. There you go. A little higher, a little higher. There it is. That made that difference right there. That's a good right foot. Feel good on it. Stand up some. Ooh, a little bit more. Oh, nice. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Yes!
Come on.
Yes!
Who the fuck they playing with? Great job, dude. Great.
Oh, man.
Great job. Great
Proud
job.
of it. That's the start of the sunset. It's the season, baby. That's the start of the season.
Yes!